We've all seen amazing pantries on social media with open shelving and lots of beautiful storage containers. It doesn't take a lot to organize your own pantry into a charming kitchen hub. To start, gather a variety of removable vinyl, stickers, labels, chalk pens, and permanent markers, as well as a few top-notch baskets, jars, and containers from across the store. Grab these when they're on sale so you always have supplies on hand for anything new you want to add. We love using a Cricut machine because it allows you to choose from just about every font and letter type imaginable. You can also create custom sizes to match the scale of your jar, like we're doing here. After cutting the custom lettering with the Cricut, cut around the word and weed out the extra pieces of vinyl. When that's finished, we're going to cover the word with clear transfer tape, which will make the actual application a breeze. When adding a sticky label to any surface, a good tip is to clean it with rubbing alcohol to get rid of any oils or fingerprints. Once we've done that, we'll position the word and burnish it by rubbing to remove any air bubbles. This creates a really good adhesion between the sticker and the jar. When the custom lettering is attached, just peel off the transfer tape and you're good to go. Another really simple, stress-free way to label your pantry items is by using Pantry Stickers. This sticker pad is awesome because it's filled with labels, big and small, that are pre-printed with common pantry items and spices. It even has blank labels that you can write on, just in case you need to label something unique, like an exotic spice or a gluten-free flour. Another fantastic option is alphabet stickers, which come in tons of different colors, fonts, and sizes. They're incredibly easy to use to spell out whatever you want in whatever look you're going for. Here's an idea. Try blank chalkboard labels for a look that's on trend and reusable. When you're ready to swap out the ingredients inside, all you have to do is erase with a damp cloth and relabel. If you're planning to store something in your pantry long-term, it's a good idea to attach an expiration or freshness date. We're using a standard label maker to add the peak freshness date to our bean jar. You've just made your pantry dreams come true. For more DIY inspiration like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.